Let's get in the kitchen. This week on Game Day Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas, Angie Boselli and Chef Tony have a special New Year's Eve wake-up.
Welcome to Game Day Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas. We're in this beautiful Dreamfinders Homes model in Longfield Preserve, which is a natural gas community. And I brought double trouble, both Tonys. My husband and, of course, Chef Tony from Publix.
We could be a radio show, isn't it? Like this double thing with a Tony and Tony.
Tony and Tony.
I couldn't handle it.
You could cook, I eat.
I'm okay with this. You know, hey, Tony B and Tony C.
That's fine
we're
by me.
good to go right there.
As long as you cook it, I'll eat it.
I don't need top billing either, and I just need to be a part. That's all I'm saying.
So I think he gets a better end of this deal.
I think we're saying we don't need you. We're good.
All right, I'm out of here.
Well, she's the one that's going to keep us straight, right?
Fair
Exactly.
enough.
So you know, we talk about what you guys like to eat at home, and she says vegetables and eggs in the morning is a great way to start your day, Tony.
Well, she loves grilling vegetables with some onions and tomatoes and everything, and putting some eggs, either scrambled or over. I like them over easy, and with some cheese on top.
Ooh.
And so it's very, very good.
All right.
It doesn't quite look like this.
It
Well-
doesn't. It's like this is like a picture of art.
Right?
Hers is like a picture of like mush, like just all stacked together.
Tastes
Well,
good.
It's very
Hey,
good. I eat it every
Get
morning.
to it.
Let's get our final stroke on this masterpiece then.
All right.
We have some eggs and some custard cups. Let's turn them around. Slide them into this oil for me. Nice and easy. Go nice and easy.
You don't
There you
break the
go.
yolk.
There you go. You see how they're starting to cook right there? What we want to do is to make sure that they cook fairly evenly. We're going to go ahead and put a lid on here so it'll create some steam. So
Okay.
the egg whites will cook as well. And we'll actually keep them sunny side up is our goal here.
I
So
like that.
we're going to give them about 3 minutes, and then when they're all done, we'll turn and we'll put them on these wonderful grilled vegetables over here.
I look forward to that.
All right. All right, so as you can see, after about 3 minutes with the lid on the pan, we bring it over, and in our stack of vegetables, we have grilled eggplant, grilled zucchini, grilled red peppers, grilled tomatoes, grilled onions, some mozzarella cheese on the side on our whole wheat English muffin, right, because we want to keep our fiber going. And right underneath our egg, we have a nice little dollop of pesto.
Pesto.
Oh,
Nice
so-
little touch.
Right, so you get through here,
Beautiful.
it's like
Colorful.
antipasto, just
So
waiting
could I
for you
could
to
I
happen.
take this whole stack and put the one mozzarella piece of bread on bottom, one on top, and kind of squeeze it together? and
Why
make it like
not?
a burger type.
You
You're
want to
about
try?
the only person that might be able to get that whole thing in their mouth.
That looks good though, doesn't it?
Amazing.
Right, look, our sunny side up eggs over grilled vegetables.
Beautiful.
For the grilled veggie breakfast recipe and a look at all the Game Day Grub segments, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.